Okay, this is going to be your in-class assignment number 17. This is going to be a very simple pool shot. So you're going to simulate a pool shot on the pool table. In fact, all you're really going to do is you're going to implement the collision. So the shot is going to be having this ball travel horizontally. The cue ball will travel horizontally, hit the object ball should go into the hole. If you've done anything wrong, the object ball will not go into the hole. Most things that you'll do wrong won't be so subtle as the ball not going into the hole. Most of them will be things like balls going through other balls, things going off on right angles for no particular reason. Those are the sorts of errors that happen when you have sign errors or indexing errors, and those are going to be the most common sorts of errors in this program. So there are two things that you need to do in this program to implement this. So all I'm having you do is implement the collision code. You have two different things that need to be done. The first thing that you're going to have to do is you're going to have to implement the collision detection, right? So that's fairly simple. You just have to find the distance between the centers of the two balls, and when the distance between the centers of the two balls is less than the radii, then you can implement the rest of your collision code. So that's simple enough. The collision code is going to be more complicated. It's a lot of math. You have to keep track of normal directions, tangent directions. You'll have to calculate normal directions and tangent directions. You'll have to make projections along those directions, do some minor computational stuff. It's not really that difficult, but they get a little bit long the way they do it. And you're not going to have to derive those things. I'll derive those things for you, but you're still going to have to implement the collision code and implement those equations so that you have a nice, simple, smooth collision process. So that's really all that needs to be done in this particular game. I think you'll have a lot of fun doing it. I know I had a lot of fun doing it until I had the problems with the indexing errors and the sign errors. So I will see you in class.